Micro-teaching is a teaching method designed to help educators improve their teaching skills in a controlled and supportive environment. It is a method of teacher training in which a teacher in training delivers a short lesson to a small group of students, usually consisting of peers, and receives feedback on their performance. The purpose of micro-teaching is to provide teachers with opportunities to practice specific teaching skills and to receive constructive feedback from their peers. The lessons are typically brief, lasting from 10 to 15 minutes, and cover a limited number of objectives. The focus is on improving specific teaching skills, such as classroom management, lesson planning, use of instructional materials, and assessment techniques. The micro-teaching process typically involves 4 steps: preparation, delivery, observation, and reflection. In the preparation stage, the teacher in training develops a lesson plan, prepares any necessary materials, and reviews the lesson's objectives. During the delivery stage, the teacher delivers the lesson to a small group of students. After the class, the teacher is observed and receives feedback from the students and their peers on their teaching performance. Finally, in the reflection stage, the teacher considers the feedback and makes adjustments to their teaching style as needed. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Edulancer for more education-related videos.